welcome to another Trading 212 portfolio update. Today I'm just going to be running through the portfolio, showing you the investments that I've made. I put some money in, put roughly around £150 into the portfolio, showing you how it's gone since the last video and the stocks that I've put the money in. So let's get into it. So 3M is worth £77.31. Actually, first off, as you can see, the portfolio has not had the best of weeks. We were around 10% up at one point. Over here, yeah, we were about 9.5% up, and we're now 5% up. So we've seen about a 4% decrease in the last couple of weeks. Not good, but not terrible at the same time. It could be worse. 3M was worth 78.45 in the last video. It's now worth 77.30. I think, have I actually put some money into 3M? I think I did put a little bit of money in, so I think it has had quite a bad week itself. Yeah, it's down 13% in the week. Yeah, so I've actually invested money into 3M and it's still worth less. So not a good week. AbbVie, it's about the same. It's worth £101 in the last video. Steady week. Altria was worth £90.54. It's gone down 3%, and I have invested a bit more money into it because the dividend is good. American State Water's 82. It was worth 85 in the last video, so down £3, down 3% in the week. Apple was worth 116.75. It's now worth 138.16. I want my top 5 stocks to be the S&P 500's, 3 of them, Apple and Tesla. So that they are my focus for the future. So I'll be investing heavily into them 5, and then little bits and bobs into the other stocks. Clorox Company at 84.11. It was in the last video, up 15p. Not much of a change there. Enbridge was worth 102. It's now worth 100. Not much change there either, but that also has a good dividend. Enbridge and Altria are ones that I probably will invest in alongside the other 5 that I was just talking about. Fifth was worth 84 in the last video. It's now 76, so a slight decrease. Huntington Bank shares was worth 79. It's now worth 83, up very slightly. Even no, I invested money into that. That's why invested a little bit into that. So it's up £6. Huntington Ingalls was worth 99. It's now worth 98.75. So a very slight difference. And the S&P 500 is back in the red. It has gone down 5% in the week, but it doesn't bother me because I just know that that gradual trend of increase will continue over the years to come. It was worth 115. It's now worth 145, so I invested a little bit into that. Johnson & Johnson was worth 86, now worth 87. Average week again. It's not. The stocks have all been average apart from a few that have gone down, which is why the portfolio has gone down 4%. JP Morgan was worth 74, it's now worth 80. I invested a little bit into that because I didn't have loads into it. So I wanted a little bit more money in it. Microsoft was worth 86.79 now. Going down again, Microsoft. I remember it was in the red for ages, and now it's gradually going back that way. Hopefully it can have a little bit of a boom soon. Nike was worth 79, it's now 74. Yeah, I don't think that's had a good week. It won't show. But yeah, you can see the decrease. Reality Income was worth £80.62. It's now 77.59. It's down 4% in the week, not the greatest of weeks. Tesla was worth 101. It's now worth 122. Again, I invested a bit of money into Tesla because I just think them 5 stocks are the safest stocks that are going to produce me the most money. So it's a no-brainer really. So over the course of the years to come, I will just be investing mainly into them. US Bancorp was worth 74. It's now worth 80. I added a little bit into that because it was low. S&P 500 was worth 191 in the last video. It's now worth 226. I've got both these two into the 200s. Happy with that. Again, it's gone down. It's nearly in the red actually, but yeah, it's going to gradually go back up. So hopefully that 8 to 10% increase in the year will come. And the ETF was worth 186, and that's worth 221. That's 2% up, but down again in the week. Same with the other one. I want that 8 to 10% profit. And Verizon was worth £70. That was the lowest stock actually, so I invested a little bit more into that. It's now worth 79. And the dividends were worth £30.50 in the last video, and they are the same in this video. So that is the stock portfolio update. Not the greatest of weeks, but it's not the worst of weeks. So I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.